Hi, so today in this video, I'm just gonna go over some of the bingo signs in the holiday bingo. So, we ready? Let's get started. So first, I want to teach everyone how to sign happy holiday. So happy, your hands like this, swipe up, happy. And to sign holiday, your hands like this, and thumbs just below your shoulder. You wiggle a finger, holiday, happy holiday. Now, for holiday bingo, you sign holiday and you spell out bingo. So, holiday, B-I-N-G-O, bingo. So, holiday, bingo, B-I-N-G-O. Now I'm going to go over some of the signs that are used in the bingo game. So first we have elf. You shape the pointy ears of the elf. 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 Next one we have ornament. It's like hanging the little ball ornament on the tree. Ornament. Or you can do this ornament. So, but most people use this ornament. Next one we have snowman. You sign snow and then man. So this is sign for snow. Snow. Man. Hands like this. And one time up on your forehead and then bring it down to your chest. Snow. Man. Now snowflakes is just the sign for snow. Snow. That's snowflakes. Next one we have Santa. Santa, it's the shaping of Santa beard. Santa, Santa. Reindeer. Yeah, reindeer. Your hands just like this, reindeer. Next one, ho, ho, ho. You just spell out H-O, H-O, H-O. So, H-O, H-O, H-O. So, ho, ho, ho. Then we have bow. If you're wearing a bow tie, then it's bow here. If you're wearing a bow up in your hair, bow, bow. If it's your present that has a bow, then you go sign present and bow. Candy cane, you can just sign the word candy, candy. Or if you want to specify it's a cane, then you can sign candy and shape the cane. Candy, cane. Next one we have gift. Gift and present is the same sign. Gift, gift. Now, Christmas tree. So Christmas tree, it's two signs combined together. You sign Christmas and then tree. So sign for Christmas, you have this arm horizontal and your dominant arm vertically. And then to sign Christmas, it's the shape of C and you swing it around. So Christmas, Christmas, Christmas tree. The sign for tree is the same position, but then your palms, it's open. Then you wiggle your finger, trees. So it's like the trees waving, right? Tree. Christmas tree. Next one we have stocking. It's just the sign for socks in ASL. Stocking. And star. Star, same sign. So stocking pointing down. Star is pointing up. Gingerbread man. There's two ways to sign this. There's actually a sign for gingerbread man. So man separate, or you can spell out ginger and then cookie man. So ginger man, or you can spell out G-I-N-G-E-R, cookie man. Ginger man, or you can G-I-N-G-E-R, Cookie man. Mitten. Mitten. So like putting on glove. Mitten. And cookie. We just had that sign. It's the sign for a cookie. Like a claw. And you turn it around. You twist it on your palm. Cookie. And if you want to be more advanced, you can do sprinkle cookie. So sprinkle cookie. So sprinkle. It's like putting on sprinkle. Sprinkle cookie. There we go. That's all the Christmas signs. So now next is learning some signs that you can use during the game, such as my turn, your turn. So your fingers are like this. My turn, towards point it and turn it towards yourself. And your turn, and turn it outward. So, and then my turn to pick the card. So drawing the card from a bag or something. So pick a card. Now after you pick a card, and people can ask, what card did you get? Card. What? There's a sign for what? What is it? And we can do, oh, I pick star. So I pick star. Now, do you have? You have? So to ask the questions in ASL, it's like your eyebrow raise your eyebrows, and as if you're asking a question. So your face look like you're asking a question, and sometimes you tilt your head. So you have? Okay. I have star, or I don't have. So nothing, nothing, or you have nothing. But he have star. So if you do, so to play bingo, you get 3 in a row this way, or vertically or diagonally. If you get 3 of them in a row, then you win your bingo. You can say you win, or you can put up your hand and go bingo. But to say bingo in ASL, you actually have to spell out bingo. So BINGO. If you remember that, you can do that. Or you can just put up your hand and go, I win. Or I have 3. So it's sign for 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Well, this video helped with your families and friends learning the ASL that you need to play the holiday bingo. And Merry Christmas or Happy Holiday. So the sign for merry and happy is the same. So if you go Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday.